Controversial stories might not be the noblest approach to wooing traffic your way. However, it's undeniable that people love a little controversy. On most occasions, gossips and controversial news have been used by social media marketers to draw attention to their websites, blogs, or other related social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, among many others. Amazingly, these efforts has always resulted into the desired outcomes. They have played a significant role in attracting enormous traffic to their specific sites, thus including a little controversy or gossip in your posts on Instagram can be helpful in your intentions of promoting your business on this forum. The use of controversial news and gossip should, however, be used very carefully. When you decide to make use of such unscrupulous methods of wooing support your way, you must be fully aware of the repercussions that may arise from the misuse of this strategy. Unexaggerated use of gossips and controversies to attract social media enthusiasts to your Instagram page can be harmful to your promotional efforts. This is because your follower might associate you with controversies and gossips which are not too promising for a starter on Instagram. For this reason, a little controversy and gossip on your Instagram page can be helpful in promoting your business on this platform because their ability to attract traffic and solicit discussions amongst their viewers. Nevertheless, you will be careful not to overuse the strategy because it might taint your reputation amongst your existing and prospective audience.